Beto Konikina.
Punja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, Ekamida, Gaikashi.
To all our friends who are tuning in this morning, maybe on the road, going to work and going to school for our students this morning, and welcome to our Spalang Show. We say Mbulu Bunaka and Yandra, to all the staff of Punjas who are tuning in this morning, as well as to all the staff of Vinod Patel, who are on their way to work, and VSAV Termatari Kua, Ni Yandra Ni Mata Bunaka. To all our friends from overseas, we say Yandra Bunaka, and Nisa Mbulu Bunaka, and Ouch Palang Show.
Well, good morning to each and everyone this morning. Good morning to everyone who are being part of this morning. Some of us still sleeping.
Right.
We had the story. Some of us we sleeping on the eyes. On the brain is open.
This morning, does the water fill your body or no?
The water is filling our body.
Okay.
But the funny part is this. It's when we wake up late.
Don't know what
Yeah.
Okay, our show will be a short one this morning.
Okay.
Go na tarong ang membaletan ko sa non da bunuway o dem sa namatang ni kuha. Bunuway ni Mbati, batake na bunuway ni Kakan, right? E doon to numenta mamaba ka vida na kenta Kakan. Ni usot.
We are different from cattle. Cattle is a family nuclear family. There's a group nuclear family, father, mother, and children.
Right.
This cattle is a bull macau. They 2 times. They eat their food.
Right.
What's your question? The 2 times or hang? Hang depend on the teeth. Some of us we have absent teeth.
Right.
So different part of our teeth, they have different function of what responsibility they do while eating.
Right.
So the one in front for biting.
Right.
At the back for smashing. Go kordo bakantanta.
Right.
If your teeth is absent from the back, so you won't able to chew, you will multiply chew, then the one is present. And alam mo na no mama kaya makailay na ambati mo muri.
So depending on the food you eat.
Depending on the food you eat first of all. And also, if the food is hardened and the tin is absent, it will always
take hours.
It take hours for your meal.
All right. Okay, what's the importance? Importance of chewing your food correctly and nicely?
Because this is some first ever door. You'll pass your food before entering the esophagus.
Right.
Before entering into the small enzymes that will be added inside your body.
Right. The saliva and the enzymes, they help to break down the food.
To break down the food.
Right.
Together with some of the
Tuki-tuki to.
Tuki-tuki to man.
Okay.
So you put them inside. So they have the different part. So we have some molecules there that contribute to the digest of our food. So they will divide it. The big part will go in a door of a bigger door.
Okay.
So the small part koralay mixed kami saliway.
Right.
They'll come into our cell.
So there's so the ladies tuning this morning, say to all the mothers, they should know the properties of what's inside the mouth of their husband.
Okay, truce.
Yeah.
If mama is there, if you know the cassava is candle.
Right.
Kaya pagka usaray na ni tapioca ni sakaw ko sa candle tu. Don't ever use that. Because some of our father but that kind of food. They will contribute to the they mirror the cassava with their teeth. So katinga bando sa kampi making na nambatin. Because we the longer we live, the bone of our gum to our teeth is
all right. Okay. All right. Kabimbi no nakenda. How about some people? They just eat fast.
That cause if you eat fast and you never chew your food well, it cause some sickness. The appendix. We are different from the chicken. Chicken is this. They have a spare stomach.
Huh?
They have a spare stomach.
Shay.
Truce.
The second nawawa.
Endo tu nata katuniken ra. Sometimes you see them. You see them, the chicken, they go and eat some stone, the small stone.
Iyo.
They bite some sand.
Iyo.
They chew inside.
Right.
Because to help them to digest, mele mga buru me metaka nakakana.
Oh, okay.
Iya.
Sayawa.
That's why their chest is bigger.
Yeah.
Undundumailiu.
Right.
Because that's where
The chicken na batu.
nabatu to help them digest their food properly.
Dono benar. Okay. Ocho sa kanita tarbe kita naman tali kuha. How do the evil spirit enter the human body?
The human body
Iya.
is weak when there is no church inside.
Right.
So human spirit is coming on the mind, eh? Apa?
The evil spirit.
Iya.
Iya.
If you empty,
Yeah.
if a house is empty, it's easy to be entering.
Okay.
Kaya pakain doon na vale, elala.
Yeah.
And araw-araw sir ni durumi. If a heart, if a soul is empty,
Yeah.
and araw-araw ni durumi.
But what does the spirit have me durumukinan doon a human body? Power ba?
The power of selectness. Ni salalangan na umbula.
Okay.
If you empty, your body is empty.
Yeah.
This is okay, wanga-wanga.
Right.
It's like a flema-flema.
Yeah.
Wanga-wanga. Mbona wanga-wanga nga. But
Flema.
Iya.
Iya.
if a wanga-wanga,
Ito tumulobo.
iyo.
Iya.
If a wanga-wanga, flema-flema,
Yeah.
is here
Yeah.
without nothing inside, baka
Yeah.
siya tundo na yalo tilom, tundo na yalo ni sinto ay
Kaya
tuilom.
bisa to na kailan ba ni palo?
Kaya ba ni balu?
Yeah.
So it will be easy
Yeah.
to enter. Bala to katang yalo.
Right.
Ako na lang akin ng dormo no elala. He
Right.
will entering a place where there is no.
Are you empty or occupied?
I'm fulfilled.
Bila kita na kadaron da aus palang iso na matag ni bengkaram ni kuha. Kaya ka lala chuka ng bula.
Iya.
Sararo sarra na duru na yalo bela. Au sa bota indemesi.
Iya.
Enter sana baka tawar non torumbula na baka tabis ni kuha.
Okay, julum, sakay ilisumen ko na rambongi ramay karabi ayo nga orang marama ni telebunada.
Oh.
Ha, to the best to the telebunada beses na bosa.
Ano bina kaya na bukan ni gito yan na singa bina ni kuha.
Iya. Karena biyo kani rongo ndana kani ronda maruta kabuli. Siya ko lang do may binden rebaki nando lang mena uts palang. So na ulit ka bibinaka. Nasopa yan re. Sa nasopa. Siya masartong may tonga.
Oy.
Iya. So nangunan daw may binden rebaki. So nangunan daw talong takataltunga. So nakandina.
Iya.
Ninon tabi talong. Daw serious topic.
Yeah.
So ndalak rin nanon tambula bayalo. Da Ndrendre tiko.
Iya.
Da kinda tiko. Da tos tiko iliw.
Alright.
Da biwa siya.
Dems, naka tugu tongo.
Iya.
Ito doon mentar mama baka ros sa ngabulu kinapa sa ngabulu nakenda kakana.
Ya.
Mama baka ros sa ngabulu. Se va sa ngabulu nakenda kakana ni simber ninda tiloma.
Daun na bosa bosa ngon daw buli ng health science na buli kita nda ka basi nga wala ni kanikalas.
Iya.
E non dang buli na bisi nga daw mga takakin.
Right.
Ngo eat in a relaxed environment.
Iya.
Ko handa daw ba wel takatiko.
Right.
So bikin nga kana uti ka mo sa start na vid.
Iya.
Mama to ka mo na kana salak.
Iya.
So bang go da ko daw ba
Ngolo
ngol
ben rolo ben to baya bi kemni na maramati na ni ka
Iya.
ku ni wele.
Right.
Redir tu rolo ben me talita kana ka bi ka kade so sa chiku non raba ka sa banangki tongi chiku non friend.
Iya.
Waktu bir ko babinaka tu kuno ba artuna sindrom friend kana babinaka mulai gitu kaya bagus ini kana babinaka
Iya.
on na segre lagi gitu.
Right.
Iya. Pero di buku tiku bali non rombul lu ben tadi tarata kitu non rombul mer ngone kau mer ngone tama bek. Iyo mer ngone kau.
Iyo.
Era vi ngone ni non rombul mai mure.
Di nasara.
Iya so tu kana so vi kita tu kana ngapa tu tolo, sa satu taki.
Right.
So mama ngapa kabida sa chilo. Mama ba rosa ngabulu kina pa sa ngabulu ke muka kana nimbior na tiloma.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Tuk bimbi.
Dono boy kay weekend na mataka di ko.
Like siya takon ng talay na matabi nanday kero mikero sa tapa.
Dono.
Sa tatalian ni sigan ni mataka.
Alright.